Join us behind the scenes as we build an 18-foot, 10 by 10 walnut box beam for this beautiful house by Wisema Homes. Because lengths over 16 feet aren't available in new lumber, we start by selecting boards of similar grain and tone to match the ends together. Then we end join them to make the longer 18-foot lengths. Now that we've matched the ends together, it's time to take the boards to the straight line rip saw and rip the edges straight. Now that we have a straight edge on the boards, we can square them up with a saw and we can trim our ends to get ready for routing the edges with a tongue and groove for the end joint gluing. To end join the boards for each side of the beam, we put a tongue and groove on the end. Now it's time to make the lock miter joint, which is basically a tongue and groove that come together to form a 90-degree angle. As we assemble the beams, we glue the ends. Now that the beam is almost finished, it's time to put a sealer on it. We like to use a matte hard wax oil. It leaves the wood looking really natural and nice. And now, we can't wait to see it in the house.